Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've been wondering how to disable the auto emoji feature on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a simple and clear method. First, open your Play Store or App Store and ensure that your Discord app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the Discord app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you try to send a smiley face using the keyboard, it will automatically convert to an emoji. To disable this feature, follow these steps. Open your browser and go to discord.com. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Desktop Site to switch to the desktop version. Log into your Discord account if prompted. Next, tap on the gear icon to go to Settings. Then navigate to Text and Images. Here, you'll find the option to automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. Toggle this option off. Once disabled, return to your Discord app and emojis will appear as text in your conversations. That's how you turn off auto emojis on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and leave your questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.